Sharon from Down Home Wicks, and in this video we're talking about packaging again, and we talked about sending away for candles at a bigger company to see how they package, so that we could learn from them and see how they do it. Now, I ordered from Bath and Body Works last time. That came from Kentucky. This time I ordered from Yankee Candle, and this came from Ohio. So they may have centers around the United States, but this is the box. It's not opened yet. It doesn't look too bad. A little ding on the corner here, but I don't think it's a big deal. So we're going to open this up and see what we have. We're learning about packaging. Now, I've never actually ordered. I've always bought Yankee Candle, Bath and Body Works from the mall, or I think, well, I spent a lot of time in Myers. Yankee Candles is in Myers. I never actually get them shipped. But as artisans, we ship a lot of candles. So as you can see with this box here, the key is to keep them from moving around. That's when things break. So this is packaged with paper on top. And then, of course, the thank you card. Thank you for your order. Whoops. Peek inside for some special offers. Let's see. Oh. Coupons. What's coming out? Oh, this is neat. A coupon for Oreos. They must have teamed up. Rewards from Yankee Candle. Candle makers, we don't buy too many candles. And I probably haven't bought a Yankee Candle in a long time. I've seen these before. This is a wine voucher. So you get like a little gift packet. And of course an invoice. Returns, exchanges. And then how to care for your candle. And who packed it. How to love your candle. And if you want, I can scan these, put them on my website, and I'll put them on my resource page. That way you can see what it is, and then you don't have to order candles. You can see exactly what they put on. I'll put both of them on there, and then you can go to my website on the resource page, and then you can see exactly what it says on there. Now, this is what it looks like. Now, they did wrap theirs, not in individual boxes, but you can see the bubble wrap. It's encapsulated in bubble wrap. I believe I ordered 3 of them. Here's another one. And I tried to order different sizes. This is another one. Now, I don't have like this kind of packaging now. I don't know if you can hear that, but I guess it would be protected in there. It would take a lot to break that. I don't have this kind of packaging. To me, I as artisans, I don't know, this would be a little expensive for packaging. And then, of course, there's paper in there. And that's the other thing to consider, too. You know, there's an expense to packaging. So let's see what's in here. Where's my scissors? I've seen this before. Where did I order? I ordered something. Oh, the Crafter's Choice fragrances from Wholesale Supply Plus came in stuff like this. And I don't know if this packaging material they're recycling. I guess, you know, if you had leftover bubble wrap, I do that a lot. That's this tumbler, the tall tumbler. I mean, it made it safe. I don't know how much this would cost. That's I have no idea. That would be kind of, I don't know, to me would be a little pricey. But the candle did make it safe and sound. Balsam and cedar. It smells really nice. I wanted to get something for the holiday season. It seems like every time I go to buy one of these, sorry, didn't mean to shake the table. They always seem to sell out, and I never get any. So these are wrapped in bubble wrap. I always reuse my bubble wrap too. I like to recycle. I don't like to be wasteful. I mean, as long as it's tasteful, I guess. I don't like to be tacky. If it looks really bad, you know, dirty or something like that, I don't. But it's pretty sticky packaging tape. And that's the other thing too, you know. This is really loud. Sorry. Obviously, you can't reuse packaging tape. But if you buy tape and you end up having to use a lot of tape because you bought cheap tape, just go ahead and buy the better stuff. Otherwise, you're just using a lot of tape. This is also white sage. It's a pretty candle. I like sage. I like really earthy fragrances. Oh my gosh. I really love how that smells. I really like that color. And I am going to be testing these. We're going to see how they burn. But they're pretty encapsulated. I don't mean to be shaking the table. In bubble wrap, it's going to take a lot. I wouldn't go throwing them across the room, but I would say it would take a lot to break these. And bubble wrap, I have tons and tons of bubble wrap that I've saved. If you don't have the machine to blow it up, it takes up a lot of room. Because it's inflated. It's like trying to store balloons, you know. And in the package, everything's okay, everything's peachy. And then once you blow them up, it takes up a lot of room. I'm going to cut this off. Now this is honey nugget. Whew. This did have there's like a seam spot, but it turned out okay. It's a flat spot in the bubble wrap. Honey nugget, there's no cracking or anything like that on the glass. Different. Now that didn't smell like the way I thought it would, but it smells pretty good. Honey has a very unique fragrance that's kind of hard to capture, but that smells pretty good. But there's no dings, there's no cracks or anything. So that's two different ways of packaging. One was secured inside a cardboard box, in a box, and then these were bubble wrapped, encapsulated in bubble wrap in a box. And the tall tumbler was actually in this cardboard. It looks like recycled cardboard that's formed or something. I don't know where you would get these. I'd have to do some research. I don't know if this would be worth it or not. This looks like an expensive way to package, if you could consider packaging expensive. Packaging should not be expensive. There was also paper, craft paper, in the bottom of the box and in the top of the box. So you might want to take that into consideration. This box was a little bit bigger. So they probably have standard size boxes. You might want to consider that too. What size box you would need to ship a single candle, a pair of candles, 3 candles, 4 candles, 5 candles, etc. You might have a variety of box sizes, but we've also looked at, you know, boxes inside of boxes, crates inside of a box, or bubble wrap for these inside of a box. And they came out fine. So we're going to look at one more style of packaging. We're going to look at an artisan in our next video and see how they do it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll give you some more videos and more tips. Bye-bye.